What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Elo's Garage. Today we're gonna be installing a draw tie hitch. I got my buddy here, Manny. He's gonna help me out.
How's it going?
We're gonna go step by step on how to do it. We're gonna do it safely. I was thinking of doing it by myself, but I'm like, nah, I need a buddy. I need someone that can help me grab one side, the other side. If I try doing them by myself, I can get hurt. We're gonna go ahead and start. We got the hitch, it's very heavy. And then it came with the hardware. It came with 6 bolts, 6 washers, a bracket for the muffler, 2 bolts for that. And then I have the common hand tools right here. A torque wrench, 3/8 socket wrench, a 19 socket, 12mm socket, 19mm socket. We're gonna go ahead and start. We gotta slide it first.
Yeah.
Right? And see exactly where the bolts are gonna be. Because you got 3 bolts on that side.
Yeah.
And then I got 3 bolts on this side. So the bolts are gonna go on the back side of this plate, right? And then we're gonna put with the washer with the teeth facing up. We have to lower the exhaust.
Yeah.
On this vehicle specifically, it's gonna be in the way. This bracket is gonna bring the muffler lower so the hitch won't be in the way. First, we put the bolts through where it's gonna go, so through the bracket, because it's gotta get out the way of the hitch, you know? So now we put the washer with the teeth facing the bracket. Now we're gonna tighten it. Tighten the top bracket first, as hard as you can. So after I tighten them with the hands, I'm gonna come back with a torque wrench and torque them down to 20 foot-pounds. There. See how it clicks? If you're doing it on your own, I recommend you get this because the bolts going into the frame are also gonna be torqued down to 78 foot-pounds. So now, with one guy on each side, we're gonna go ahead and lift it up with one arm and screw with the other arm. We got these 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 3. Up. So now we're gonna grab a ratchet. We're gonna tighten these with our hands. So now we're gonna bolt these down with the torque wrench at 76 foot-pounds. Got yourself a hitch. Real nice and tight. Thanks for your help, man.
Yeah, man, anytime.